All right, let's check out this ad from Rejuveme Medspa and Willow Glen. It's clean, but almost too clean. Here's the original line. It says health and aesthetics together. Weight management, hormone balance, rejuvenation, and wellness, guided by specialized medical care and backed by science. That's not a hook, it's a LinkedIn headline. Let's be honest. No one scrolls Instagram hoping to read the word wellness twice. There's no emotion, no transformation, and no offer. It's listing services like it's the menu, but doesn't make you crave any of them. What's missing? No local energy, no urgency, no visual payoff, no clear benefit, no call to action. And worst of all, it assumes the reader already understands why those services matter instead of making them feel it. Let's fix that and grab it some spark. So we're gonna use our $97 Ad Rewrite Playbook to flip this into a scroll stopper. I'm gonna go and take a screenshot of this ad here and put it in my document over here, and we're gonna work on this. I'm only gonna work on the copy and the headline there. Oops. All right, so we're gonna start with a local call out, so people know that this ad is for them. So we're going to say, hey, Willow Glen, ready to feel like you again. Right? We're using a pattern interrupt that sounds personal and taps emotional memory. Our personalized wellness plan blends science, support, and results you can feel. Right? This reframes weight loss and hormone balance as a transformational experience. Tired, foggy, stuck in your body. Right? Rhythm plus resonance. Right? Describe the internal problems without being negative or non-compliant. Imagine feeling clear, light, confident, like yourself again. All right, we're adding in some sensory and aspirational language. People buy the after, right? We guide, imagine feeling clear, light, confident, like yourself again. We guide you with real medical care, hormone support, and weight loss strategy that actually fits your life. All right, so we added in some relatable content, conversational and specific content here. Now we're going to add some social proof. Hundreds of Bay Area women have already started and feel the shift. We're gonna have some scarcity here. Only 7 new client spots available this month. Ready to take the first step without pressure. Comment reset and we'll DM you the link to book your free consult. All right, this is one more consult. This is your sign to stop surviving and start glowing. All right, is that our headlines in? So headline 1. Willow Glen Wellness Reset. And then the second will be feel like you again. All right. So let's read this. Hey, Willow Glen, ready to feel like you again? Our personalized wellness plan blends science, support, and results you can feel. Tired, foggy, stuck in your body? Imagine feeling clear, light, confident, like yourself again. We guide you with real medical care, hormone support, and weight loss strategy that actually fits your life. Hundreds of Bay Area women have already started and feel the shift. Only 7 new client spots available this month. Ready to take the first step without pressure? Comment reset and we'll DM you the link to book your free consult. This is your sign to stop surviving and start glowing. And the headlines are Willow Glen reset, 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 and then feel like yourself again. Feel like you again. All right, so we took a generic service list and turned it into a guided transformation. By adding emotion, urgency, and actual benefits, we gave the offer a pulse. Remember, people don't buy hormone balance. They buy feeling like themselves again. This is exactly what we do in our $97 ad rewrite. We take what you're already running and make it actually book clients. Want your ad rewritten like this one? Grab the $97 ad rewrite. The link is in the bio above or in the description below.